We are all happy to introduce physical education for the first time in our school. Okay, let us start with the chapter. The first chapter of this lesson is Changing Trends and Career in Physical Education. Let us see the learning objectives of this lesson. The learning objectives of these lessons are: first, meaning and definition of physical education; second, aim and objects of physical education; third, career option in physical education; fourth, competition in various sports at national and international level; fifth, the last one is Khelo India program. These are the learning objectives. Now let us see the introduction. There are many opinions according to various people about the introduction. Let us see the introduction. What are the introduction of this physical education? Accordingly, the physical education concept is not new. We have been seeing about the physical education since ancient time. Many people have different kind of thinking regarding physical education. In the beginning, physical education was used in the terms of physical activities. The beginning of physical education is believed to be from the ancient Greece. Sometimes it was confused with physical training, play, games, physical culture, health education, and recreation. But as a matter of fact, it is more than these terms. Now, generally, physical education was not understood in the real sense. Now, meaning and definition of physical education. Meaning and definition of physical education. Let us see the meaning. According to the Central Advisory Board of Physical Education and Recreation, physical education is education. It is the education through physical activity for the development of the total personality of the child to its fullness and perfection in body, mind, and spirit. This is the definition. Now, definition of physical education. We have seen the meaning. Let us see the definition of physical education. There are many definitions, and this one is the easiest definition that you can write. When you are writing the definition, you should write the author's name also. Okay. According to Casti, physical education is the sum of changes in the individual caused by experiences, certainly motor activities. Motor activities. Now, according to H.C. Buck, physical education is the part of general educational program which is considered with growth, development and education of children through the medium of a big muscle activity. It is the education of whole child by means of physical activity. Physical activities are the tools. They are so selected and conducted as to be influence every child's life physically, mentally, emotionally and morally. This is the definition according to H.C. Buck. Now, according to J.B. Nass, physical education is that phase of the whole field of education that deals with big muscle activity and their related responses. Conclusion. According to all these definitions, conclusion is finally it can be concluded that physical education not only helps in physical development, but it also helps in mental, social, and emotional development of an individual. This is the conclusion of all the definitions.